Hi Bhumika, welcome to IWM Buzz.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone.
How are you?
I'm really good. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके.
How's your shooting going? बहुत hectic चल रही है मैंने सुना.
Hectic है, but अभी हम लोगों ने at least I've been shooting in the night. So night shoot हमने at least 7 दिन किया है. और मैं directly आज सुबह पैकअप करके थोड़ी देर सोकर यहाँ पे आई हूँ. और थोड़ी सी लेट हो गई उसके लिए I'm really sorry.
No problem, we can understand. तो कैसे चल रहा है shoot? How is everything on the set?
Everything is just like Nimki, full of energy and so much fun. क्योंकि निमकी का कैरेक्टर ही ऐसा है कि वो किसी को एक मिनट भी चुप नहीं बैठने देती है. एंड पर्सनली इवन व्हेन आई एम ऑन सेट आई एम एक्चुअली लाइक 90% निमकी बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक टू बी क्वाइट. आई लाइक टू जंप अराउंड. अगर मेरा सीन भी नहीं होगा मैं वहीं पे मंडराती रहूंगी या कुछ ना कुछ करती रहूंगी. एंड एवरीवन एल्स इज like completely like the whole team of Nimki Mukhya gels around well with each other. So वो बहुत अच्छी बात है हमारी टीम की. तो कोई बोर ही नहीं होता है सेट में.
Okay, how did acting happen to you?
Good question. It actually didn't happen to me. I made it happen. It's just like I had no plans though, but I always wanted to be an actor, which I always thought. But मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं कभी करूँगी क्योंकि I was too lazy. And I used to do a 9 to 5 job. And मैंने वो सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया. रिटेल फील्ड, IT सेक्टर, बैंकिंग सेक्टर. आई ट्राइड एवरीथिंग और मैं कहीं पे भी नहीं टिकी. और मुझे लगा कि इट्स हाई टाइम आई थिंक आई शुड स्टार्ट गिविंग ऑडिशंस एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड माय फैमिली सपोर्टेड मी. तो मैंने ऑडिशंस देना स्टार्ट किया. एंड समहाउ स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ एपिसोडिक्स and a lot of web series and everything. And then after almost 1.5-2 years I got a call for Nimki's audition, and it was directly from the producer. Wasn't from any casting agency around. So I firstly couldn't believe कि actually में I'm selected. I'm the one. So मेरे बाद में किसी का audition हुआ ही नहीं था. I was the first choice. But at the same time, not the first choice. They had considered a lot of other actresses who were known, but they wanted someone new. और जब मुझे पूछा गया तो मुझे सिर्फ इतना बोला गया कि we like your face and we would want you to work on your diction since it's going to be a Bihar based show.
Yeah.
उसके लिए तो मुझे इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. मतलब मैंने 1 साल एटलीस्ट वर्कशॉप्स में ही निकाल लिए होंगे. वो भी just not the language learn करने के लिए नहीं, खाली the way they pronounce certain words. They have a lot of slangs and it's like आप हिंदी जैसे बोलते हैं, हिंदी को बिगाड़ना is completely the right and true sense of बिहार में जैसे बात करते हैं. So that's how it happened to me. A lot of auditions, a lot of process, a lot of levels which I had to cross.
Okay, how desi is Bhumika? Like Nimki तो बहुत देसी है.
I think desi in India people tag you as desi if you wear more of Indian clothes.
Yes.
Or you probably come across as a very सीधी सादी लड़की and जो घर पे रहती है. But I think desi is not about being in Indian clothes. I think every girl is desi. And every man in this country is a desi guy. And मैं तो हूँ. मैं चाहे जितनी भी oh my goodness yeah oh my god what are you wearing? It's like okay, but in the end of the day चलना यार दाल actually certain times I wear extensions as well. Okay. But yes, my natural hair is really healthy and I've got good texture. So I think I don't really follow any beauty tips myself. I just had a lot of नारियल पानी. मेरे बचपन में मैंने बहुत नारियल खाया है, नारियल पानी पिया. And it's in my genes also because my sister and my mom they both have beautiful hair. Okay. तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, just take care of your diet and nothing else. I think it all depends on what you intake.
Okay, there's a fan of yours, Anil. He's saying मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ.
How sweet. Thank you, Anil.
Okay, Jay Lakshmi is saying you're looking very beautiful today.
Thank you so much, and that's without makeup, the normal base and everything, and which is like something I managed by eyeliner at least, and I came.
She wants to know your favorite movie also.
Whether it's Hollywood or Bollywood, I think. अभी तो current favorite I think सोचना पड़ेगा बहुत, क्योंकि अभी ऑफ लेटली मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. But I think my Hollywood favorite Hollywood film,
like all-time favorite.
All-time favorite is I think Avengers.
Okay.
I like all those kind of movies at times.
Okay.
And in हिंदी में मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कुछ.
ठीक है.
याद आएगा तो मैं बताऊँ.
Okay. Harsha is asking what motivates you to become an actor.
I think the fact that I want to be on screen, I want to act, is in a way it's like a self motivating fact for me कि मुझे ये करना है. वो मेरे अंदर से ही आया था कि because I tried working in all the fields possible and मेरा मन लगा ही नहीं कहीं पे. And end of the day I thought I think I am made for TV. I should give it a try. And if you feel, if you're in a if you're in a conscience or probably your अंदर की आवाज एक जो आती है इंसान की कि मुझे करना चाहिए एक बार, तो जरूर ट्राई कीजिए. You never know what may happen tomorrow. And yes, you need a lot of patience. Just wait for the right time. Keep working hard, and somewhere or the other, things will fall in place for you. So I think that's what I had a lot of patience, and I actually waited for this, and it happened.
Nice. Okay, Ruchi is saying, hey, I had watched your acting in Ye Hai Aashiki after Nimki Mukhya. It was amazing.
Thank you. I think that was like the first episode in which I did after Gumrah. Gumrah maybe the first episode that I did was a parallel lead, but this was Ye Hai Aashiki was my first lead episode again. That was like a task because I had to dance in that show.
Okay.
And I was playing Masu and बहुत अलग ही कैरेक्टर था, बहुत शांत शरीफ सी लड़की, completely opposite of Nimki. So that was a challenge for me.
Okay, जयलक्ष्मी इज आस्किंग, आप अपना खुद का सीरियल देखती है निमकी मुखिया जब भी आपको टाइम मिलता है?
Of course देखती हूँ मैं जब भी घर जाती हूँ या if I get up from sleep और मेरे पास 2-3 घंटे होते हैं, मैं फटाफट से हॉटस्टार करती हूँ ऑन बिकॉज मुझे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है. तो जैसे ही बेड से आँख खुलती है हॉटस्टार ऑन करती हूँ. आई पुट निमकी मुखिया. मैं पूरा एपिसोड नहीं देख पाती हूँ बट यस डेफिनेटली कुछ सीन्स ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कैसा परफॉर्म किया, बिकॉज एक इंटेंस सीन होता है, कई कॉमेडी सीन होता है, वो देखने के लिए जस्ट टू सी कि कैसा जा रहा है शो, कहीं मैंने कहीं लैग तो नहीं किया है. एंड वी एक्चुअली डिस्कस ऑन सेट कि हाउ थिंग्स गो. हमारे डायरेक्टर, हमारे प्रोड्यूसर, राइटर जो है, हम सब एक्टर्स डिस्कस भी करते हैं कि ये शो अच्छा, ये सीन अच्छा नहीं गया, इसमें और अच्छा हो सकता था. So yo, and I have my best friend right here, and she's also there with me today. So
we'll introduce her also after
Yes.
chatting with your fans. Okay, Sameer is asking, who's your inspiration in life?
I think inspiration in life definitely after your parents, because why parents? Because they are the ones who do everything possible to make you what you are today. And आपको अपने माँ बाप की तरह जरूर होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो अनकंडीशनली सब कुछ करते हैं. एंड दैट अनकंडीशनल वर्ड गोज विद एवरीथिंग, बी इट योर लव लाइफ, बी इट योर पर्सनल लाइफ, बी इट योर वर्क लाइफ. द वर्ड अनकंडीशनल गोज एवरीवेयर. इफ यू डूइंग समथिंग यू हैव टू बी अनकंडीशनल. आफ्टर माय पेरेंट्स आई थिंक माय ट्रू इंस्पिरेशन इज आई लव रणवीर सिंह. He is one crazy guy and he is someone who's crazy for his work and I am crazy like him. So I really look up to him. It's a very odd thing कि एक लड़के को इंस्पिरेशन मानती है अभी तो, but मेरे लिए रणवीर सिंह है. मैं उसको देखती हूँ, मतलब जब भी मैं I see him on screen, it's like so much of energy. Like you will definitely spot him somewhere and you won't see anyone else except for him. So I want to be like them, like actually like Ranveer Singh.
Okay, Simran is requesting if you can say Gajab once.
I've been asked to do that a lot of times. आपके लिए ठीक है, मैं कर देती हूँ. मदरिना गजब.
So Simran is asking, was your journey difficult to acting?
Yes, definitely it was difficult, but not really, horrible or really bad. I've been really lucky that I had to struggle a little, but not much. I think because of the kind of people I had around me, who were really there to support me, especially my family. They were always there. डांट पड़ती थी कि जॉब छोड़ दिए, क्या कर रही हो लाइफ में, ये सब. But at the end of the day, they knew that somewhere she knows what she's doing. Probably they had that trust in me, and also because I kept telling them that I want to do this and I never gave up, and they saw that thing in me कि हाँ. तो पेशेंस, मैं बोलती हूँ पेशेंस थोड़ा रखना चाहिए, स्पेशली फॉर दिस फील्ड. यू नीड टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस एंड you need to be very confident about yourself. Sure. Even if you have the most beautiful girl in front of you or the most hottest guy in front of you, you should never think that you're less than anyone. Believe in yourself, believe in whatever talent you have, and if you have that, polish it.
Nice. Okay, David is asking, have you got any punishment in your school days for your naughtiness? How was your childhood?
God, I wasn't really a good student because my classes bunk करती थी. I was an average student, being honest, and I used to bunk classes. और मैं I was more into sports because I used to play volleyball and cricket with the girls and we had a girls school. That's Lady Even, and if there is someone who from Lady Even watching this, so मतलब cannot place Lady Even New Delhi. तो मैं तो मतलब आई यूज टू जस्ट वेट कब कोई टीचर लेट आए 10 मिनट क्लास में. आई यूज टू स्नीक आउट, टेक माई वॉलीबॉल एंड प्ले इन द वॉलीबॉल फील्ड. और मेरे वॉलीबॉल फील्ड से मेरा क्लासरूम दिखता था. तो मैं दूसरे साइड पे जाके खेलती थी. बस उनको खाली बॉल उड़ता नजर आता था दूसरे साइड पे कि वो मतलब खेल कौन रहा है वहाँ पे. तो आई यूज टू बंक अ लॉट ऑफ क्लासेस. बट देन एग्जाम के टाइम पे कैसे भी करके आई यूज टू मैनेज एंड आई यूज टू पास.
ओके, रुचि इज सेइंग वी लव योर शो. एकदम घर जैसा फील होता है. नेचुरल एक्टिंग मेक्स इट परफेक्ट. आई नेवर मिस्ड एनी एपिसोड ऑफ निमकी मुखिया.
Wow, thank you so much. That really means a lot.
Okay, we have Bhumika's friend, so she can also join her. She'll reveal some secrets also about Bhumika.
Alright guys, so that I have my bestie. She's my sister, my bestie, my soulmate, my soul sister, Nidha Bhatt. And
hi guys, hi.
So now you guys can ask her anything.
Yeah.
And I'm sure
Oh,
on social media and everywhere you must have seen my pictures mostly with her.
Yes. So now you have to reveal how is Bhumika in real life. निमकी so हम सब देखते ही है टीवी पे.
भूमिका, oh my god, like मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा टफ जॉब है अभी इसके बारे में बोलना. Actually, so बहुत अच्छी है. एक्चुअल में जो ये रियल लाइफ में
इसके बाद असलियत पता चलेगी.
एंड आई लव हर एंड द थिंग इज मैं इससे प्यार इसलिए करती हूँ क्योंकि इसका एक्चुअल में मैं क्या बोलूँ, ये बहुत अच्छी है. सो द थिंग इज थोड़ी हाइपर हो जाती है एट टाइम्स, बट मुझे इसको काम करना आता है.
I mean, I take her like my younger sister, so I shout at her कि क्या कर रही हो तुम, ये क्या है.
बहुत
तुम
हार्ड वर्क करती है.
ऐसे बोलते हैं. ठीक है, हो गया.
बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती है. एंड मैं तो इसकी मेरे ख्याल से ये काम के लिए जाती हूँ, शाम को मैं इसका वेट कर रही होती हूँ. कुकिंग कर ली, सब कर लिया, ठीक है.
She gives me a husband wife, and the husband going to work and the wife is waiting at home. She बेचारी comes out of her zone. She cooks for me at times and you know मेरे खाना बना के रखेगी. मैंने तुम्हारे कपड़े ना कबर्ड में रख दिए हैं, तुम्हारे शॉर्ट्स वहाँ पड़े हैं, तुम्हारी टी शर्ट यहाँ पड़े. तो पूरा एकदम बीवी वाली फीलिंग.
I feel like that she's a part of my life. And एक्चुअल में जो रियल लाइफ में आपको ये दिखती है एज निमकी, रियल लाइफ में भी ये वैसी ही है.
क्रेजी.
तो मुझे नहीं लगता इसको निमकी के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये रियल लाइफ में वैसी है. क्रेजी.
I would say yeah, अभी मुझे इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी because I've got something which is more like me. The only thing which I had to work on was being a little more smart in hiding your emotions, because निमकी अपने emotions नहीं दिखाती है, wherein I'm a little different. I'm very expressive.
And yeah, she's very good in cooking.
Okay. Sarcastically था कि सही?
No.
अच्छा.
Seriously.
Okay.
And even she does. मैं अभी just इसने रात को चिकन बनाया था मेरे लिए.
Nice. तो आप क्रिटिक बनती हो आपकी फ्रेंड के शो की, मतलब देख के आप बोलते हो यार ये तुमने सही नहीं किया यार?
आज तक मेरे मुंह से निकला नहीं, बिकॉज मेरे ख्याल से एक आई एम एन एक्टर, मुझे पता है शी इज डूइंग वेरी वेल और बहुत अच्छे से कर रही है. तो जहाँ पे कहीं कभी लगा मुझे, बट आई डोंट थिंक कभी मुझे गलत नहीं लगा. तो बट हाँ, शी इज डूइंग गुड.
ओके.
बाकी सारे एक्टर्स भी निमकी में बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बट शी इज परफेक्ट.
आई एम नॉट परफेक्ट बट शी एंजॉयज. मैं इसको जब भी सीन दिखाती हूँ
बहुत अच्छा लगता है
मुझे. शी कीप्स लाफिंग ऑल द टाइम, सो that means that she's enjoying.
Nice. Okay, Crystal, one fan of yours, she's asking, where did you learn the accent from?
I actually had to. It's it's not about learning. You just have to grasp something. It's like कल को आपको एक आप किसी चीज को आप बार बार देखेंगे. Because initially when I started shooting for Nimki, I used to fumble a lot. I used to take a lot of times doing the lines at one go. Because of the language and the tone barrier which I had. Because हम जब language में बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे थोड़े कुछ slangs हैं जो नॉर्मल हिंदी नहीं है. हिंदी को आपने जो शुद्ध हिंदी लर्न की, आपको मुझे वो अंडू करना पड़ा और हिंदी को बिगाड़नी पड़ी. और बिगाड़ना किसी लैंग्वेज को is more difficult than learning a language.
Very true.
So मैंने बहुत सारे I watched a lot of बिहार के टच वाले films. and a lot of songs, and I actually had to YouTube a lot of people from normal videos, natural videos जो बिहार के लोग upload करते हैं YouTube पे. वो सब मुझे R&D करना पड़ा उसके लिए बहुत, तो वो मैंने किया.
Okay, so now we'll play a fun game. तो basically मेरे पास English translations हैं हिंदी songs के,
Okay.
और आप दोनों को guess करने हैं ये कौन से हिंदी songs हैं.
Okay, I'm in.
चलो ठीक है. The first one is it poison or love your kiss? What a hangover it is your kiss.
जहर है या प्यार
Okay, you are perfect. Okay, the other one is you came near and smiled like this.
तुम
You
पास
made.
आए,
बाप रे.
मुस्कुराए.
मेरा question तो finish होने दो.
I'm good.
Yeah, very good. Okay, the other one is first intoxication, first hangover. My love is new, so is the weight. What have I done to myself? The restless heart of mine. Oh, restless heart, please tell me. First intoxication, first hangover. My love is new, so is the
पहला
weight.
नशा, पहला खुमार. Oh, it took me time. Nice.
Okay, the other one is my heart is each and every time desperate to hear it. Say no, you love me. Keep saying it that you love me. It's a very famous song, basically. My heart is each and every time desperate to hear it. Say no, you love me. Keep saying it, you love me.
कहो ना प्यार दिल मेरा.
अरे फ्रेंड हार रही है आपकी, आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Oh, are we competing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought we were team.
अच्छा वैसे. चलो ठीक है, टीम ही ठीक है. Okay, the other one is dreams in eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen beloved?
Okay, I didn't get that. I need to.
Dreams in eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen beloved?
आँखों में सपना, सपनों में साजन. नहीं, आँखों में सपना, सपनों में.
आँखों में ये वो. Dreams in eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen? आँखों को और क्या बोलते हैं? देखो मैंने हिंट दिया.
नैनों में सपना, नैनों में सपना, सपनों में सजना, सजनी पे.
बट हम आंखों में सपना बोल रहे थे.
Okay, the other one is saw a girl and felt like this. Saw a girl and
एक
felt like
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा. अरे हम good है.
very good.
We should play this game यार. हम लोग
हम
अकेले
घर पे
खेल
एक
सकते हैं.
हाँ,
नहीं करेंगे.
देखो मैंने आपको आइडिया दे दिया. Okay, the last one is shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart? Shall I tell?
नहीं.
Shall
क्या
I tell
मैं
you?
कहूँ?
या ना कहूँ.
आगे की लाइनें बताओ.
क्या मैं कहूँ या ना कहूँ, मेरे दिल का हाल. Something मेरे दिल का.
Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the
मैं
condition of
कहूँ
my
या
heart?
चुप रहूँ.
हाँ.
ओह,
मैं कहूँ या ना कहूँ.
नहीं.
लिरिक्स
कहूँ या
गाना
ना.
गाना है.
आई थिंक मैंने फिर गाना नहीं सुना होगा.
पुराना है वैसे.
हाँ.
तुम कुछ ना.
नहीं, रुचि ने आपकी मदद की लेकिन रॉन्ग सॉन्ग है.
ओके.
ओह.
कह दूं तुझसे या चुप रहूं, ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन ठीक है, मैं बता देती हूँ. उसका ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज है, इसलिए कह दूं तुम्हें या चुप रहूं.
यही गाना था.
में.
I was about to say that.
अच्छा.
मैं इसका रीमिक्स बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, remix गाने वाले.
अच्छा. ओके, हीना आपसे पूछ रही है कि आपकी हॉबीज क्या है.
Oh, I have a lot of hobbies. मेरे को actually सब कुछ करना पसंद है.
Dancing.
Dancing, singing. I love to play cricket, जो मुझे नहीं मिलता है खेलने के लिए. I've tried playing football, बस मैं बॉल मार सकती हूँ. I don't know the rules. And I like to be very active, you know, when it comes to sports or dancing and all these things. I think I'm not really a person who likes to sit at one place. मुझे हर एक चीज करने में बहुत मजा आता है. एंड मैं बैठे बैठे भी अगर हम लोग कभी मिलके बोर होते हैं ना, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि क्या करें. Because let's get dressed up and just click pictures.
इसको देखकर मुझे एनर्जी आती है. I feel like I am alive.
Okay, so apart from acting, what do you love?
My family, my doggies, and her. I love to eat, I love to sleep, I love to shop. I'm just being a normal, usual, typical girl right now. I don't have much of makeup ka shock or something, but I have to do makeup at times because I have to be in certain places. Otherwise, if I'm at home, you will see the different version of me. Like you're going, okay, ये वही लड़की है.
Okay, so David is asking, have you ever slapped a guy if he in school or in college?
So many
Like
times.
if
I think I slapped a guy only, I think twice or thrice, which when I remember I used to travel to work alone, and one of those मैंने उसके ऊपर मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा लंबा Facebook status भी रखा था, मुझे याद है, and that was only because he was misbehaving, and वही एक time था जब मैंने किसी पे हाथ उठाया है. Apart from that, I've never really raised hand on anyone. बचपन में भाई से मेरी लड़ाई हुई है काफी, मैंने चाटा वाटा कभी नहीं मारा लेकिन.
ओके, एक और गेम है तो हम खेलते हैं. आप दोनों अपने अपने आंसर्स देना, ठीक है? Have you ever re-gifted a gift that was given to you?
No.
Yes to my brother.
Never.
Yes to my brother.
Okay. Have you ever fooled around with a family member?
Fool in what sense?
Like उल्लू बनाया था.
Yes.
Every
So
time.
many times.
Every time.
So many times.
Have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
Yes. All in the family. My family. And even for a time.
Every day.
I think, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever eaten an entire pizza by yourself?
Yes. I can do that even now.
ठीक है, we'll
I've
order.
done that on set so many times.
Have you ever failed a class?
Yes, I have. Because I bunked a lot of them and I didn't know what's going to happen next. और मुझे question paper I was blank. ये कब हुआ? तो तुम bunk करोगे तो यही होगा. Like, but not the final like exams, but
understood.
the class tests
Yes,
and all.
yes.
I've done that, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever walked out of a movie because it was bad?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Make sure. तुम
No.
लोग गए थे. Remember?
Oh yes, she just reminded me. We left, but in Nice was nice.
Okay.
We left because of some other reason.
Yes.
No, but I think I had to leave in an emergency.
हाँ.
once. Otherwise, I've never left. I've always completed a film. Actually, मैं जो मुझे बुरे लिखते मैं वो देखने जाती ही नहीं हूँ. So I'm very
अच्छा.
selective.
Okay. Have you ever faked illness to stay home?
So many times.
I think once. I have a few times.
In my
मैं
school
पकड़ी गई
days.
हूँ.
actually.
मैं तो पकड़ी भी गई हूँ.
Have you ever cried in public apart from your acting? ठीक है.
Not in public, definitely in front of my friends. Yes, I have.
Okay. Have you ever traveled without a ticket?
No.
Traveled where? But I don't think so. I've traveled in the train much ever in my life. Never.
Okay. Have you ever lied to your parents about where you were going?
Yes.
Everyone does that. At a certain age.
Lastly, have you ever broken a traffic signal?
I don't know how to drive. Someone next to me has broken the signal so many times. Yeah, cycle चला के मैंने बहुत तोड़ा है.
Okay, Jayalakshmi is asking when is your birth date?
27 Jan.
Okay.
चला गया.
Aww.
I wish we could celebrate a birthday twice a year. That would be the happiest. but age एक ही बार count होनी चाहिए.
तो क्या किया आपने birthday पे?
Oh, I had a blast and I had all my co-stars, my best friends,
Okay.
she, everyone for my birthday, and it was like I celebrated like for 2 days in a row. So it was really fun. When I was all the time I was managing everything. जब सब लोग चले गए घर तब मैं अकेले डांस करी थी. Then I got time. But उसके बाद तब तक तो everything was like
We had a
that.
great time.
Yeah, we all had a great time.
Okay, Andrea is asking who's your favorite co-star?
Co-star, I mean I've worked with very few people till now because if you see बहुत लोगों ने काम किया है. But I think favorite co-star, people always talk about the ones who are opposite them, but I would want to especially mention that I think till now my favorite co-star is the one who plays my dad on screen.
Okay.
He gives me immense emotion and that feeling because apart from doing comedy scenes हम लोग के बहुत emotional scenes आए हैं. But मैं glycerin नहीं use करती हूँ shoot पे. I normally like to get in the feel and everything, and he's one person जिनके साथ अगर मेरा serious scene आया है, he never uses glycerin as well. We both actually take each other as like a father and daughter, and we just go ahead and just do it. and not only in the close, in the wide shot, mid shot, close shot, the same emotion. And it's very difficult to carry the same emotion in every shot because one scene takes at least 1.5-2 hours.
Yes.
और 2 घंटे आप उसको फील में वही हर एक शॉट पे वही रोना, उसी पॉइंट पे आंसू निकालना, it's not easy. So I think he's an amazing and a brilliant actor. And yes, I think the chemistry I have with other actors is fabulous because वो on screen दिखता है फिर. The one who is opposite to me, Abhishek Sharma and Indraneel Sengupta, he's amazing. I think they both have different energies and their own, the charm that they have. वो एक अलग ही equation, सबके साथ मेरा बहुत अच्छा equation है. But being my favorite, I think it's my dad who is an amazing and brilliant actor.
Okay.
जिनके साथ मेरे maximum scenes हैं उनके बारे में बोल रही हूँ.
Okay. Shri is asking that TV में आने से पहले were you crazy about television or you had any favorites?
I did, in fact. I wasn't crazy, but I used to watch very selective soaps, and वो भी मेरे normal लड़कियों के क्या थे remakes. I used to watch remakes. Then I used to watch Dil Mil Gaye and all these things because this time पे and Kasam Se was my favorite. I am a huge fan of Ekta Kapoor.
Okay.
To be honest, and I would love to meet her someday, but I've not really got a chance till now. एंड ये 3 shows थे जो मैं फिक्स देखती थी एंड उसके बाद मैंने डेली सोप्स देखना छोड़ दिया बिकॉज आई गॉट इनटू ऑल डिज्नी शोज एंड ऑल different kind of shows and I stopped watching TV उसके बाद से मैंने I've not kept a track of television shows. But now because of my show I've started watching other shows as well to see how we stand and where are we right now.
Right. Okay, Rani is asking who's your crush on television?
I've got so many of them.
I was about to say that.
I have a lot of crushes. I mean, I'm such a girl right now, but it's okay. मुझे बोलना नहीं लेकिन मैं
बोलो.
I think I like Kushal Tandon a lot.
Okay.
And then I had a huge crush on Karan Grover, Karan Wahi, and television में I think there are a lot of cute guys there, but I think I should stop there. I need to stop.
Okay, finally we'll take a message for all your fans who are here to chat with you and spend some time with you.
Alright, I just want to say that at times I'm not able to reply to the messages that I get on Facebook and Instagram or anywhere possible. I just want them not to feel bad because I can't reply to all the messages at one time and mostly I'm at shoot. And मैं अगर किसी एक को रिप्लाई कर देती हूँ तो फिर सब लोग स्क्रीनशॉट लगा के डाल देते हैं कि इन्होंने मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं किया है. But you should not feel bad because I do read your messages and I'm sure you get to know that. And it feels so nice. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जान के कि the thing that I'm working for day and night, people are liking that and people are loving my character and they've accepted me as Nimki. इससे बेटर फीलिंग दुनिया में नहीं है बिकॉज शायद देखने में आसान लगता होगा बट एज एक्टर्स वी वर्क रियली हार्ड. And we give out of 24 hours we give at least 16 hours a day to shoot and to act and perform on screen, and it feels really nice when your fans or followers of the shows and your out of world family accepts you and likes your work. So mujhe I think I feel very blessed. Probably I'm not a really superstar right now, but I feel that I've achieved what I wanted.
Nice.
I've been accepted. So I love you all. Thank you so much and continue watching the show.
Thank you so much, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
We had a lovely time.
Same.
Bye.